Hi Splat fans, welcome to our video. We've got Superzings in a slime bath. Right boys, do you want to come and have a look at this? Oh, what is it?
Superzings in a bath?
Yeah, Superzings in the slime bath. Yeah, we got all them characters in there, Splat fans. Oh, a messy slime bath. You boys gonna go in then? Yeah? Yeah. Right, what we're going to do, boys, you want to have a fish around and see what characters you can get? Yeah. Yeah, look, all that slime. Look, show you all the Splat fans, the slime, look. Look at that, Splat fans. Show them, Jax. Oh, look. Gooey. You see that?
Who's hiding inside the slime?
Who is hiding inside the slime? Who we got then? Have a fish around. Who's that? Oh, you dropped him, he's so slippery. Let's have a look then to get him out. Oh, it's Captain Air Blast. Oh, have a feel around, Jack. Oh, who's that? Mr. C. Oh, he's really slippery. Who you got, Jax? Brain Freeze. Captain Koi, very slippery. See which one Daddy can get. I'm going to mooch around, have a look like this, and I'm going to grab one. Who's that?
I got.
It's Mega Veg.
I got a next one.
Look at this.
And I got a next one.
Whoa. Oh, you got a Electron. Cool. Squidgy, look at that, Splat fans.
I got
Powcorn. Oh, Slimy. Who's that?
Cactor.
Oh, it's Cactor. Nice. Who else we got in there that we've missed? Oh, is that Bad Nana? Captain Coink? Oh, look. Show all the Splat fans the slime, look.
What did I get?
It's Mega Veg.
I got Captain Atlas again.
Did ya?
Why don't you put some on the side here? When you find them, put them on the side and then we'll push them into the slime.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, look, Jackson's found Brain Freeze.
Oh!
It's Cactor.
Don't push them off.
Go on then.
Got then.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, where'd he go? Did he go back in the slime?
Here I am.
Oh, look, Daddy's going to have a look, see if he can find a Super Zing. Oh, is there one? Oh.
My goodness. My goodness. Who is it?
Let us know in the comments, Splat fans, if you know who this Superzings character is. Air Blast, he's pretty cool, isn't he? We got given that to him, didn't we? By one of our fans. Okay, Daddy's going to push him. Daddy's got really slimy hands. Oh, you got Brain Freeze, Jax. You going to drop him down the slide? Oh, all this gooey mess, look. Is it really slimy, Henry? Yeah? Well, that'd be pretty cool if they could colour change, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Don't forget, Splat fans, Series 2 of Superzings is coming out at the end of August. We at Splat Kids TV are so excited.
Who did I get?
I think you got Air Blast again. Oh, look. Cool.
That was two.
Right, see if you can find someone else. You swimming? You're swimming in the mess and the slime. Cool. Oh, who's that there? Who's that there, Henry? See if you can pick that one up. Get it. Get it. No, not that one. That one. No, that one. Oh, who is it? Who is it, Henry?
Captain Metal Crunch.
Yeah, Captain Metal Crunch.
Boys, how excited are you for Series 2 of Superzings?
Really excited.
If you haven't had a slime bath, Splat fans, it's really slippery. You okay, darling? Oh, gooey and slippery. Oh, look at all them Superzings down there, Henry. Who's there? Who can we find? Oh, look, is that Mad Blades? Open your hand. Who you got? Oh, you got Mad Blades. Who's the one in the middle? Oh!
Mr. C.
Yeah, that was who you had. Who's this one? Pow Power.
I am powerful.
Oh look, who's this? Captain... Is that Sparky, is it?
Yeah.
Sparky or Sparkplug?
I'm Sparky.
Captain Sparky, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh!
So guess what?
Boink!
What's going to happen to Cool Eyes?
Oh, what's going to happen to Coolizer? Ah!
Oh.
He's got back in the slime.
Battle shed.
Oh, this is.
Look, they're battling.
Are they?
Yeah.
Who's winning the battle?
Jackson, look at your hands.
Go.
Pow Power? Yeah, you have to be really careful in the bath, Splat fans, if you've got slime bath in there, because it's very slippery.
Oh,
Isn't it?
only one Captain Airblast.
Okay, try and find him then. Oh, I think I can see Jack the Juicer over there. Look. Where is it? There it is. Oh, yeah, it is. Yay! Daddy got Jack the Juicer.
But now he's going to put...
Watch this, Henry. Look, look, watch this. Boink. Ah, so slippery, look. Mr. C, Splat fans. Boink. Oh!
Oh, they're so slimy.
Oh.
Oh, Daddy's got power.
Only one Captain Airblast.
Oh, look. Daddy's covering him in slime. Oh. Who you got? Who's that, Henry? Who you got? Who you got? Oh, it's Bad Nana. Was Bad Nana? Bad Nana.
I'm flying.
You're floating?
Oh yes, only one Captain Airblast.
You found him?
Yeah.
If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notifications of our daily videos.
I got Captain Airblast. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, Splat fans.